This high protein chia seed pudding recipe contains 30 grams of protein, is dairy free and refined sugar free, and will keep you full for hours. So I just added half a cup of raspberries, but you can use blueberries or strawberries. Next, we're adding half a cup of dairy free Greek style yogurt. Just make sure it's unsweetened. And as always, the full recipe is in the description box down below. Next up is 1 cup of soy milk. And I'm using soy milk because it contains more protein per cup than other plant-based milk. I'm using actually silk protein. It's excellent and it has 7 grams of protein per cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. But I like my chia seed pudding just a tiny bit sweet, but you don't need to add it. It's totally optional, especially if you're looking for a refined, sugar-free chia seed pudding. For the extra protein, I'm using half a scoop of protein powder, and I'm only using half a scoop because when I tried it with a full scoop of protein powder, chia seed pudding tasted kind of chalky. And let me know in the comments down below if you like protein powder or if you prefer recipes without protein powder. If you don't have any protein powder, you can just sub it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of hemp seed. And now all we're gonna do is blend this until smooth and creamy. Next, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. Pour the raspberry mixture, give it a stir, and wait 5 minutes. After 5 or 10 minutes, you are going to stir again, just so that you prevent clumping. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight, so that the chia seeds can absorb the liquid, thicken, and do its magic. When you're ready for your pudding, give it a quick stir because it's quite thick. So it's super creamy, it's light, it's refreshing, and I'm having it for dessert, but you could have it for breakfast, or if you want, you could have it as an afternoon snack. It's absolutely delicious. If you love creamy, protein-rich desserts like this one, you're going to love my chocolate avocado mousse video. It's dairy-free, incredibly rich, and tastes amazing. See you in my next video.